Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use the flashlight on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to access the apps menu. And to do that, just press on the button and you'll be brought to the app screen. From here, you want to scroll down until you get to this option, flashlight, and tap on it. Once you do that, your screen should turn white, meaning that you've successfully activated your flashlight. So if you're in a dark place, you can now use your band to shine. If you want to disable the flashlight, just tap on the screen and the flashlight will be turned off. So it's up to you now to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your band. Alternatively, you can always just swipe down for the quick settings menu on the main screen. And then from here, look for the flashlight icon and tap on it to activate it, and tap on the screen again to deactivate it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.